Hey there, guys. Are you guys struggling on how to do the bookkeeping in your business? Be truthful here. Does your bookkeeping give you a headache, like a major headache? Well, my name's Natalie Ahlstrom, and I'm here to help you. I've been a full-charge bookkeeper since 2005. Throughout my 40 plus years experience in the accounting industry, I have had many business owners and solopreneurs come to me and express their feelings. They are overwhelmed. They're, they have a lack of understanding on their numbers and their finances and their business. They're not sure where to start. They know they need to do bookkeeping, but they're just not sure how. And they're feeling totally overwhelmed and not sure what to do. So, my DIY bookkeeping channel is going to help you to learn how to do it yourself. You're going to be able to do your business's bookkeeping, do the multitude of accounting tasks that are required in your business, learn how to do them on time, and you'll save money by doing so. Things, the quarterly payroll taxes and the other quarterly taxes that you have to pay, know when to process them, when they're due, and what you need to pay. Accounts payable, accounts receivable. Make sure that you're tracking your expenses. Make sure that you're tracking your income. All of these things put together, we're going to be doing with accuracy so that you'll get the result of a balanced set of books. You'll gain understanding on that financial situation, and you'll be able to analyze your figures so that you can continue to build your business into a very profitable empire. But we're going to keep it simple too. I'm going to be releasing videos every week on Thursdays. So what I want you to do is, I know that my YouTube channel will help the solopreneur and the small business owner immensely in understanding their bookkeeping. So click on the subscribe link and hit that little bell so that you'll be notified every time I release a new video, okay? In the coming weeks, we're going to be discussing how to get started the right way in doing your bookkeeping and having a firm foundation and systematizing all of your various accounting tasks. Looking forward to helping you figure things out.